Hello everyone and welcome to this last video of the year. If you are new here, hi, my name is Lola. I want to introduce you to my mom. You've seen her before, but from now on you will see her more often. She's a bit crazy, but I love her. As I mentioned last week, we are embarking on a new journey through Europe. And as you could read in the title, we bought a camper. Mom will be busy with driving and work, so I'm your host. Let me show you the camper and tell you why we chose this one. We deliberately chose this camper instead of a van or one without an alcove because of the space. The two main reasons are my mom sleeps upstairs, so we have a larger living space. With all the other options, you would have to convert your table into a bed. But she is way too lazy for that. So this saves me from a grumpy mom every day. To me, that space doesn't matter. I lay on her lap anyway. Okay, let's take a look inside. Welcome to our new home. It's my first day, so it's all very new to me. Consideration 2 is the amount of light inside, which also gives a more spacious feeling. We stay in Europe and have no guarantee of good weather, especially in the winter period. So we will be inside a lot, and then it's nice to have some space and be able to look outside. What do you think? Comment below your thoughts. Okay, let me show you my bed. When you come in, you immediately see my bunk bed. Well, Mom will probably use upstairs for storage, but down here I have a large bed all to myself. Lovely, right? My bedroom is outside, but Mom has her own bathroom on your left side. Here we have the most important door in our house, the door to food. Yes, okay, not interesting. Did you feel the fridge? Okay, well, this is our living room. We will transfer these seats into my daybed. And this is Mom's area, but I want this chair. We are still discussing this. And this was the most important thing for Mom. She wants to sleep far away from me. I don't like it. You are way too far away. Yeah, show them. All the way back there is my bed. That's far away. Mom can watch the star at night. Come down now, please. Okay, I will come to you. 1 sec. Okay, this is better. Still too far. Let me think. Let me get up there. Help please? No, not funny. What am I gonna do? Oh, there you are. Okay, let me come to you. Yeah, that's cozy. Oh, I'm gonna be really busy. Don't know if I still have time to host, Mom. I have a really important job. And there are many windows to keep an eye on. Okay, there we go. Our adventure starts now. Whoa, what's happening? We're moving? Is this part of the plan, Mom? Not sure about this part yet. Well, we wish you all a very happy new year. Follow your dreams and become the best version of yourself in 2024. I don't have much to improve, but my mom does, like filming herself. If you'd like to follow us and support us on our journey, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. And of course, like and comment. We would love to get in touch with you all. Much love from us and see you next time. Bye bye.